Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix FIFA 23 not launching easy and quick. If you want to fix it, first click here and then type Windows Update Settings, and now once you're here all you have to do click check for updates, and now just wait and install the updates that you can find here. And if you can't find any updates, just click view optional updates and then installed updates that you can find here, and that's it, all the updates that you can find here. And now let's move to the next step. Click and search for device manager, and now go to display adapters and make sure to update your GPU drivers, and then you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.